In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails with Framer. We'll walk through the full process of adding an email capture form to your Framer project, connecting it properly, and tweaking the settings so it works and looks the way you want. First, open your project in Framer. Make sure you're on the page or canvas where you actually want your email form to appear. It might be a landing page, a hero section, or even a dedicated newsletter section. Having that in mind before you start will make the rest of the process smoother. Once you're inside your project, look towards the top or side of the Framer interface and click on Insert. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your page, from basic shapes to interactive components. We'll be working specifically with form components here. After opening the Insert panel, look for the Forms category. Click on Forms to reveal the different pre-built form options that Framer provides. These might include simple single-field forms, multi-field contact forms, and other variations. Since our goal is to collect emails, you can choose a form that either focuses on a single email field or one you can easily adapt. Now, choose the form you like and drag it onto your canvas. Drop it in the exact section where you want visitors to see it. You can resize and reposition it just like any other element in Framer. So feel free to align it with your layout, adjust margins, and make sure it fits naturally with your design. With the form selected on your canvas, double-click the component to reveal its settings. This action will open up a panel, usually on the right side, where you can control how the form behaves. If your first double-click only selects a child layer, keep clicking until you reach the main form component. Inside the settings panel, locate the input where you can enter the corresponding ID, URL, or endpoint for your email collection service. This is where you connect the form to your backend or email marketing platform, such as a form handler or a newsletter tool. Copy that ID or URL from your service and paste it carefully into the field in Framer so submissions are sent to the right place. Finally, customize your settings. This is where you adjust things like placeholder text, button labels, success and error messages, and any styling options available in the component. Make sure the language is clear, the button is compelling, and that your success message confirms that the email has been received. When you're done, preview your site, submit a test email, and confirm it shows up where you expect. That's how you collect emails with Framer.